gold market analysis. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm not really sure. Just let me know if you can hear me, and then we can start. I want to quickly also check the news. FX book. Can you guys hear me? Or you can simply just raise your hand. I'll unmute you. Can you guys hear me? Majid, Ivan, how you doing? How you doing, guys?
How you doing, bro? I'm fine.
Awesome. So yeah, we're gonna begin. I don't know. Oh, you can hear me.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, great. So we're gonna start with gold, man. Let's see. I just removed everything right here. I want to quickly check something. Okay. I'm gonna quickly check something. Okay, so with gold, I want to quickly check news as well before we actually start, because they're actually going to be important. More especially because of the fact that we do not know whether this high right here is the extreme high that we will be making on gold. But just to give you a little bit of context behind how or where I'm anticipating gold to go, I'm gonna go back to the weekly time frame just to actually, was the weekly or monthly, I think, yeah. So I'm gonna go back to the monthly. I remember when I was projecting gold, I used this low right here as my X. Then this was the A, then B. I was projecting the C. So projected from this low using the trend-based fib extension. This is going to be your starting point. This is going to be your A, and then this was the B. Usually, this is where I pay attention for reversals, right? But you can see price just shot above, meaning that I could have just anchored it from a wrong starting point, right? And the reason for me to use this area was because I was looking at this as an impulse, anticipating that this would be the same length. But I ended up just deciding to use this one because there's quite a large period between here and here, right? So this can just be a simple anchor point. So let me open it up, and yeah, guys, if ever anyone wants to ask anything, I'm on the live stream right now, so we can just simply discuss everything here. So you can see my anchor point is here, here, and here. And then my potential area for reversal on gold is here, right? Right around here. I'm not going to go into detail. So if ever, let's say price is here, it means that I'm still anticipating the push above, which is around 1,500 pips, right? From where we are currently at. So let me just I want to quickly change the settings on this economic calendar app. I'm only going to set it for medium and high impact news. So today, let's see. Today we only have medium impact news around 2 hours. High impact news, which is the Powell speech, in 3 hours time. So which is the USD news. So I think right now on gold we can just simply relax and wait for the news around 7:15 around my time. So I'll just go to the 1 hour and mark up the time, and then we're gonna get back to analyzing so that we can be able to have a clue as to what's gonna happen on gold. M15 is gonna move it 15 minute actually it's a little bit around here. Around this time, this is when the Powell speech news are going to happen, right? So there's so many things that you can look at, right? The first thing would be that remember, we were anticipating price to push a bit above. I'm not really sure if it's strictly on the yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna mark up this area right here as a potential target right there, right? This is the potential target. Then we're gonna go to the daily, right? Because the weekly I was mainly using it for that projection. I was mainly using it for projection. So let me just quickly use visibility is only on the hours. That's for us to be able to see the news. So let's say this is the target that we have right now. And ahead of the poll speech news, what we can see, and if you ever go back to the other YouTube video before the one that I posted earlier on, you'll see that I did show you guys how to basically simplify choosing areas to buy or sell from. So what we can see here, we have an open close, which is a buy and buy candle. And then we reacted from it with this move and then pushed higher. And then from there, we traded towards that candle. I'm not really sure if this one tapped. I'm not sure. It did not tap that area. And then we reacted from this area right here. This sell and then buy. We reacted from it, right? So since while we're still ahead of the Powell speech news, we can simply mark up this area. This is a fresh and untested area. But then we do have another one as well, which is a buy and then a sell. Then we broke above it. So we do have this one right here. Resistance breaks become support. So I'm going to remove these previous ones because they're not really important for us right now. So this is the first one that we're going to encounter. This is the second one, second potential one. So what we're going to do right now is that we're going to judge which area is most likely going to hold apart from the other one, and then be able to decide based on the essence of time, because we're also considering the fact that we have news, right? Okay, hold on. Okay. My apologies for that. So the two areas that we're going to focus on is this one and this one. Why? Why are we focusing on this one? And the reason why we're focusing here is because we're looking for a long opportunity. The reason why we're also focusing here is because we have a potential target right here, right? This is based on the daily time frame, right? Because we haven't yet broken any structure to the downside. So everything still looks bullish. So when we do go to the 4 hour, right, always remember that we also have this thing called roadblocks, right? Roadblocks, which the first one is here, which is a my apologies, which is a sell right here. This is a roadblock right here. I'm gonna mark it with gray, right? This is a roadblock. The potential buy area, I'm not really sure if it was here. Let's just quickly check. Daily, somewhere around here. Yeah, 4 hour. We can see that around this area, we don't really see anything clear. So this one right here, someone might say it's a left shoulder. I hardly ever use that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pay attention to this candle right here, and then around this area. That's what I'm gonna be observing, right? So let's go to the 1 hour right now. So on the 1 hour, I don't necessarily see anything clear. You can see here we do have a roadblock. Someone might say this is an open close, something like that. Doesn't really matter to me. So on the 4 hour, yeah. Let's just quickly go back to the 1 hour. So remember, this is the time that we're also focusing on, right? And then we also have to focus on where where price might potentially reverse. This is top 100 here, so you're gonna look for potential areas to buy from. 30 minutes, I'm just basically refining at this point. But the way things look right now, I don't really see the necessity of us having to look for buys from here. I just think that gold might potentially trade lower, just to get to this area, right? Just to get to this area. So you're gonna observe certain things around this area and then be able to use them in our trading. So remember, the roadblock we also do have at this from the 1 hour, the 4 hour. So the M15, what do we see? Nothing too clean. Nothing too clean as yet. So for me, I'd much rather wait for price to give me a reaction from here, because there's still a lot of room. There's still a lot of room to the downside for me. So it can happen that gold might even trade lower towards this area and then push higher, because we have this open close and also this move right here. So this could also be a potential buy area, right? And then what we could do right now, we could just simply say that I had a minor stop point right here, potential sell area, and then we might attempt to short gold from here after price closes and target this area. I'll just target this high of this fair value gap, or just simply this low, just to be on the safe side, So the main thing that we're gonna be observing is the closure of this M15 candle, which is just 3 minutes away. So I don't know. You can even widen your stops just to be safe, because we have this area and also this area here as well. So it's totally up to you. Just wait for this candle to close. I would like to see it lean close below here, because we have seen gold doing funny things recently. So after it lean close, then we're gonna wait for a pullback. Actually, if it does happen that they do close below here, I'd be more than happy, because if it does react from here, it might push high, right? I don't want to see any reaction from here. I just want to see it sell off and break below this low right here. I just want to see it break below this low. Anyway, let me just check on you guys. If ever any one of you guys have any questions, let me know. But right now, I do know that some of you might say, bro, why aren't we buying from here? For me, I'm not comfortable, bro. I'd much rather wait for it to close below here. That would be a much more safe way of trading. Because if ever, let's say it doesn't close below here, come on, man. If ever here, right, which it could happen, I would assume that maybe it just took liquidity here. And then it just wants to push higher, right? And that could be the case based on how it's reacting right now, right? And if it closes above this high, I think what I might attempt to go to the lower time frames, and I'll just wait for it to create a sell and then a buy, and then on that area I would attempt to take a long, right? And then once it gets here, I'll attempt to take a short, but if the short fails, then I'll just keep continuing with the long. But I'd much rather wait for it to get here. But even waiting for it to get here, it's quite risky because of the fact that it could just keep pushing higher and then you just take a loss. So, yeah. So we'll just wait. We're just 46 minutes away, 45 for this candle to close, for the M15 candle to close as well. As you can see, if we go back to the M15, waiting for it to close. But I would have preferred that it would have closed here, bro, so that it can just simply be a clean break, and then we trade a bit higher and then take a short, right? Because under this low, we can look for potential long opportunities. But from where it is right now, I don't know. I don't know, man. Quite risky. Who would want to trade it from here, bro? It's just risky, man. It's just risky, man. I don't. Let's go to the M5 right now. I don't know, man. Man. Let's see. On this candle closes, then maybe I might have done something. I don't know. It's quite unsafe. We'll just wait for the M5 candle to close. If it doesn't close, then I don't know. I'll just wait for it to come back here. Quite a very weird month for gold, to be honest. Quite a very weird month, if you ask me. So the main thing that we're waiting for is for gold to close. As you can see here, it's basically just 3 minutes away from closing. But I know. Could have just took a long from here, from this 1 minute, but it wasn't within my criteria for entry. Could have been a good trade as well, as you can see, because the M15 actually closed here, sell and then buy, entry here, but it's not something which I was interested in taking. I wasn't really interested in taking it, so. But that's what happens, man. Like, you can't always be in all of the trades. You can't always be in all of the trades. So for now, we're just gonna wait for the M5 to close, and then maybe something like this would happen. M5 breakout, a sell-off. And if it does happen around this time, bro, like, make sure that whenever you're in profit, just set your stop loss to break even very, very fast. Whenever. Because, bro, just look at what gold has been doing, bro. Spike ups, spike downs. So let's see how many pips this trade is. Let's just quickly see how many pips. Around close to 100. So far it's running around 30 pips. So we'll just see. 1 minute away from it closing. Just 1 minute away. So we'll just see. So once it closes, then we're gonna wait for it to return here, and then we attempt the buy. And if it fails, it's okay. We'll just wait for the sell. Can't win them all, bro. But it has been acting good lately. Gold has been acting good lately. I feel like most of the time it doesn't even want to return to these areas of support. Whenever it does, it just reacts a little bit, but Yeah, I think maybe it's because I haven't been on the screen like way too long in a while. So just what's this backtest? Let's just simply backtest right now. Just simply backtest this. Also remember that context is also important. Context is also important, bruv. You can't just trade everything that you see. You have to know why you're taking the trade. I'm just basically just outlining everything just to show you that context is very important. This one would have played out very beautifully, I think. Yeah. Let's see, 30 pips. Let's just start from here. Yeah, probably less than 30 pips for the stop loss. Stop loss here, entry there. Not even sure about the target as to where you'd be targeting, but yeah, it's about to close. It's only like 4 seconds, 3 seconds away. 2, 1. Then it closed. Another 5-minute candle will open here. So let's go to the M1. Might not even play out the way that we want. Let's see. Maybe it could just read from here and then come down here for that up move. We don't know. We don't know. Let me go quickly heat up some water and make some coffee. Yeah. In the meantime, this is the area that I'm willing to look for a buy. This is the area I'm willing to look for a sell. So whichever one happens first, I'm taking it. Heat up some more. Yes. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. So yeah. Anyway, you can set your stop loss at break even. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything that you do with your money, it's all up to you. Anyway, I'm gonna set my stop loss at break even, I think. Yeah. Already up there 2 pips, I think. Yeah. My entry. 16. I took the short-term sell from here, the one that we had from here. I took the sell while I was still fixing the water, so it was just a small sell. So my stop loss is at the entry. I might even retake another one. I'm not really sure. Even if I lose this one, I don't care. I'm just mainly waiting for this one up here because that's the main trade. Yeah, I think it wants to stop me up. I don't know. My entry was a bit late, but if it does come back here, I'm not sure if I'm gonna re-enter. Yeah, let me just go in again. Yeah, whatever. 646. I'm gonna just stop that on this one. I can feel it. It's nothing major. Nothing major. At least you guys hopefully did set your stop loss at entry. I did tell you guys. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen to gold. I'm just mainly waiting for it here. To be honest, I'm mainly waiting for it there. Where's my entry a bit late? What's my S price? That's weird. This one might stop us out, guys. But at least it did stop you out. I know because of I did tell you to set it to break even, and if you didn't, it's up to you, bro. I'm not responsible for what you do with your money. So let's see. Let me just set the take profit, and I think it might push up. Take profit as well. It's around 7.5. I think we might even push above 7.5. I don't know. I don't trust it anymore because it just looks as though this high is just in between, man. Like this high right here, it just looks in between when I look at it from the M15. I don't know. It just looks a bit sus, man. Like the way it is right now, from where it is, just looks a bit sus. Trust me. But I'm in the buy again, so don't fear, man. Anyway, let me go make some coffee, man. I think I'll update you guys in a bit. I don't know if I should leave this running. It's a bit clear on the M1 for me. I'm in a good sell. I'm in a good buy. God damn. What sell? I'm in a buy. The fuck? Just take a screenshot for you guys. I did re-enter. So, that one right there. So, it's already running 30 pips, man. That's great. Hopefully you guys are still in the trade. Hopefully you guys are in the trade. I don't know. But, you know, if ever you were not comfortable with seeing it coming back, there wasn't any need. You can still, I think on the M5, is it M5? No, M15. You can still wait for the M15 to close, right? It's only like 1 minute away. Once it closes, then maybe it could return to the same place and then you re-enter, right? So there's no need for you to feel like you're missing out. You're not missing out. You're not missing out on anything. So let's just wait for the M15 to get like that extra confirmation, and then if it does push high again, then you do know that you might get like a good entry. But if you get stopped out, then it's okay, man. I should have just told you guys to sell from there, but who cares? We'll just wait for it to give us that M15 closure. As you can see, it's only like 50 seconds away. So let's just pray and hope that it closes bullish, man. And then Yeah, maybe it could make a bit of a breakout right here. Let's let it close right here, man. Please close right here and then a pullback towards this level. Ah, what the? Ah, man. What's going on with gold, man? Gold is crazy. Honestly, gold is crazy. I just wanted to close above here. Close above here, man. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, mate. Come on. It's only 9 seconds away, bruv. Come on, man. I got a whole team praying with me here. Close. Okay. If you're still in, I don't know, man. God damn. If you're still, who's in the trade right now? I'm gonna mute you guys. Who's in the trade right now? Who's in the trade right now? Who's in the trade right
I'm
now?
in the trade for finish.
Awesome. Let's go. God damn. But make sure that you do set your stop loss to break even, just to be on the safe side, because we are approaching this area. We are approaching that area. Oh, God damn. Dance. I know I sound crazy right now. Anyway, I don't know if I should attempt to sell, man. Let me just take partials right here before I go crazy. Take partials as well, guys. You can see we're above a high, so take partials. Take partials. I did tell you. I'm taking half off. And then I'm gonna set my sell it entry. What's the price? 65730. It's not a lot of pips, but like it's better than waiting on those other Euro pairs. 66 is it 43? I'm not sure. 6699, okay. 66.99. That's where my entry was. That's crazy, man. Ooh. Last stream. Anyway, I took partials. As you can see, I made a little bit. So even if it does anything, I don't care, man. At least I didn't waste my effort. Remember that. So anyway, right now, this buy trade is no longer my concern. I'm going to focus on this sell trade right here. This one, no longer my concern. Made something from it, who cares? Right now, we're going to wait for this one right here. Gonna wait for this one right here. Gonna wait for that one. My brother, how are you doing? Hopefully you did take partials. I know you just sent me a screenshot right now. Hopefully you did take partials, bro.
I take the partials, yeah, but how here and here
That's awesome, man. That's awesome. So right now, I think what we should do, right? It's coming back to this area. I don't know. Let's just leave it alone. But the reason why I'm still considering this as a good setup is because of the fact that we have this sell buy and then this area right here. I'm not going to discuss this one. I do know some of you do know it. I did discuss it on my previous YouTube video. So if you did watch the YouTube video, then you already know what this is. I did go into a little bit of detail about this kind of behavior in the market. So yeah, right now let's just simply wait for this sell. I think it's from the M15 or M30. I'm not really sure, but we're gonna wait for this sell. And the main event. The reason why I actually want you guys to take partials early is because of the fact that we have the power speech right around here. It's still way too far. Okay, I think I'm removing the wrong thing. the Paul speech is around here, right around here, right around this time, right? So should I go long? I did not tell anyone what to do. So anyway, the reason why I want you guys to take partials is because like anything in between this time frame, I mean anything before this time frame, right, can just be sideways, right? Whenever you get an opportunity to be in like maybe a 30 pip move, just take partials because the biggest move is going to happen around here, right? Damn, I should have just longed it here, but I wouldn't have known. Just mark it up, but who would have known? So the biggest move is going to happen after this time. So anything before this time is just going to be sideways, right? It could just be sideways from here, maybe consolidate a little bit, and then, then boom, depending on where it wants to go, right? I'm just giving you that idea so that you can always be prepared whenever you have news, right? Whenever there's news, always think about this. Always think about which news are going to have the high impact, and then be able to use that information to basically just adjust your trading plan or adjust where you take partials, because it might not even give you an opportunity to take partials above the high or even close to the high. You can just make a small push and then drop, right? So always keep that in mind. Always keep that in mind. So I did take partials. Hopefully you did. Hopefully you did make something. But I'm not getting any screenshots, so I think maybe some of you guys were afraid to go back in. So it's okay. It's okay. There's still a lot of opportunities in the market. But for now, this is the least of my concerns. Gold is the least of my concerns. So what could it be doing? Let's go to the M15. M15, I did tell you that it could come back for that area. So should we go back in? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Are you comfortable with going back in? That's the question. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm doing with my money though. Because if it smokes me, it has to smoke me alone. Let's see where that. I'm thinking about something, man. I was thinking about something like a few minutes ago. I don't know what. What is that? 6, 4. Oh, god damn. Look at it now. It's playing with us, as you can see. This is crazy, man. That's why I'm telling you guys to just 626. Where's the price? 64.2664 point. What the, bro? Man, let me just gold, man. Like gold is just playing with us today. Let's see. The entry area is around 66. So you can -3. You can have it around 63 if you want, just to be on the safe side, man. Like playing around, as you can see. 6. Yeah. Depending on where you want to have it. So what? Like, bro, what's going on here? I don't even know what I did. 63.40. I don't even know what I did, man. I think I accidentally closed my position. But it's okay. And if we do get taken out, it's okay. I'll just wait for this one right here. Yeah, I think it got taken out. Oh, actually, I did widen my stop, so my stop is around 63.40. I'm not really sure if it's 6340. Yeah, almost taken out. Almost taken out. Now it's back in profit.
Fuck. One pip stop loss and go back.
I almost got taken out.
Keep going.
God damn. I almost got taken out for real. I wonder how much was my stop loss, was it? Yeah, almost 30 pips. 30 pips actually. But it's playing around. I don't even know why. That's why I'm saying that we should always like consider taking partials way too early. Because one thing that I'm afraid of right now on gold, right, is that what if it finds support from here and then finds support from here, and then when we want to attempt sales and it just shoots high, right? That's the only reason why I'm still attempting these buys, right? That's the only reason. But apart from that, like I would have just left it alone. Apart from that, I would have just left it alone. But for now, there's nothing that I can do. I'm already in the trade, so it's already up. Like let's see, it's still 10 pips. I almost got taken out. This is where my stop was. That's when I was telling you guys to just move it to this price level. So I'm not really sure what's gonna happen next, but we'll just wait and see. We'll just wait and see. But if we do get taken out on this one, I think the best bet is just for me to just wait for it to come back here, regardless of whether I do see any setups around here after being taken out. Let's say maybe it takes us out and creates a stop hand right here, which is also a possibility, right? I wouldn't do anything. I'll just simply wait, unless maybe I'm seeing the setup under this low close to this time, right? I would attempt to long it in anticipation that maybe it might create a spike up into this area and then a deep sell, right? Or even a push out. I'm not really sure what's going to happen, man. But I'm just giving you all possibilities which I have in mind. So right now it's just playing around. So we'll just wait for it to push out, man. Watch this. Let's just wait for it, man. We'll just see. We'll just see what happens. But for now, I think I'm gonna be on the sidelines just a little bit until this, because this is our current trade, right? So I'm just gonna be on the sidelines and wait for it to just show us its end. Right? I'm not gonna extend my stop loss any wider. It's fine where it is. So yeah, let's just wait. I think maybe this can just be the end of the live stream. Then we will continue in maybe a few hours, in maybe 2 hours. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I'm gonna end the live stream right now. So peace, love you boys. You'll see it on YouTube, by the way. So yeah. So anyway, peace guys, love you.